Okay, I don't know if everybody's come across this before. Put your key in ignition. This is a Mercedes Vito 2007. Sorry, 2007. Put the key in ignition, turn the key. It's only done 90,000 miles, and turn the key and the starter motor engages and won't disengage, but the engine doesn't start. It doesn't start. It just keeps winding and winding and winding and winding. You can stall it, you can put your foot on the clutch, put it into gear and stall it. It still makes no difference. So conclusion is it could be starter motor, solenoid jammed. So we've got to get the starter motor off and have a look at it. So I'm going to have to look online for a new starter motor for one of these. If it is that, I'll just take it off and test it first. Would be the best thing to do, I think. So she's rear wheel drive. So I'm going to have to jack it up, have a look, and find out where the starter motor is. It's going to be bolted to the gearbox somewhere. Can't see it at the minute, it doesn't matter. So we're going to get underneath and have a get into focus. Come on, you stinker. There we go. Don't know. So yeah, it just kept going. Took the key out, took the ignition out, turned the ignition off, took the key out and everything, and just kept going and going and going and going until the battery died. So whether that's put a strain, or I can't tell. I don't know. So I might just disconnect the battery actually. Well, that's the airbox, isn't it? Yeah. Where's my battery? Is it? Oh, the battery's under the seat. Okay, I want to have a look at that. Okay, so next job. Put some jump leads on the battery. I'll get another battery in the back and just touch it and see if the starter motor is still jammed, and then we'll work off from there. Okay, so I've connected this now to the battery underneath the seat. There's no key in the ignition, so let's see what happens now, because it absolutely killed the battery. All right, there's the cables. Right, so George has left my car in gear. So this is what I want to. So this is what's happening. So there's no key ignition. Okay. What the hell is that? So it looks like the starter motor is either engaged or the solenoid is still engaged. Okay, so we've got the starter off. Tried everything else, so my ladder's just got off. I think this is the one I'm doing. Make sure that's on there. We just tried this. Hold on. Just got to try and get to this underneath here. Watch this. Where are we? Where is he? There we go. Watch. See it? And it won't disengage, so we think we found the problem. Just do that again. Watch this. Here we go. So it's locking. Got to get to that. Right, here we go. So it's no good. It's knackered. So take it down, get the numbers off it, and we'll order a new starter motor. And there we go. That's it. Really, 2 bolts hold it in. She's got a bit warm here because it wouldn't disengage. That's when it killed the battery. Hopefully the battery's okay. So just show you that. Yeah, jam solid. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and a thumbs up, and we'll catch the next video. I haven't shown how to get it off because two of us couldn't get underneath the vehicle. It's just 2 big bolts holding it in, and then you've got a 1/2 nut on this one and then a small one on the back of there, and that's it. Okay, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.